Lepow, a portable screen with a few cables and with the possibility to be used everywhere using only the Type-C cable if you have the right hardware. Welcome to the review of the Lepow Z1 series. Hello, Thiago here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxing. If it's something that interests you, consider subscribing, leave a thumbs up on this video, and share this video with your friends all around. With all this said, let's start the review. 15.6 inches HDR 1080p display, only 0.3 inches thick, built-in speakers, 3.5mm headphone interface. Only a few specs. Let's start with the price. And the price tag is £189. They have a voucher going on now of £35 because it's Black Friday. If you are interested in buying them, do check my links on the video description, and that will help the channel a lot. Many thanks. For the US it's $188.98, so it has 30% discount, plus you can use a $40 coupon. So guys, yeah, but check out when you're buying it because it's always changing. It's Black Friday, it's Cyber Monday, so guys, have a look. Lepow have an all-metal body and weighs 770 grams. Although it's very thin and lightweight, doesn't feel cheap at all. It has a very clean look. On each side, we have two built-in speakers. On the right side, we have a 3.5mm jack, a Type-C port, and a mini HDMI port as well. On the left side, the second USB-C port for power. The selection wheel that we can push in or push up and down for selection and scrolling through the menu. And the power button. It comes with a screen protector and the case works as a stand as well. I didn't use the screen protector because I don't think he needs to, because it's not touch screen, so we don't need to touch the screen at all. The case is amazing, and even if you want to stand your Lepow Z1 up, the case will work without any problems. It comes with a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, a Type-C to Type-C cable, a Type-C to USB-A cable with a power supply, and that's all you need to connect all the devices. Next, I will show you a few examples of devices you can use with this monitor. You can connect your phone to the screen using all-in-one cable, Type-C, USB, but in this case I'm using more cables because it's an iPhone, and an iPhone has got a lightning cable instead of the Type-C. As you can see, the image is quite good and the sound is coming from the speakers on the monitor. Another way to use the screen is playing games on your phone, for example. When you have little ones, it's always a problem when you want to watch TV, because they want to play console games. Using the Lepow Z1 as a screen makes everything easy, as you can watch TV and the little one can play games. Another good use of the Lepow Z1 is when you go on holidays, because normally there's only one TV in the room, and you can use the Lepow Z1 as a screen for gaming, and you can watch telly while your kid play games. My favorite use of the Lepow Z1 is when you're filming, you can use it as a camera monitor. It's real good when you're doing head filming videos, like unboxings. The Lepow Z1 have a very simple but complete menu where you can adjust pretty much everything. You can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the black level, sharpness. You can adjust the image, the color temp. You can change the language of the menus, and you can reset the menus. Overall, it's a very complete menu. My final opinion. Even though the speakers are not that great, we can hear the games and the videos, for example. Overall works just fine. It's a real cool portable monitor. Very functional. You can use it as a second monitor, as a bigger screen for your phone, as a camera monitor, or a second screen for your kids gaming. I really suggest to check my links down below and pick one if you like it. I'll be using mine every day. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends all around. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It will help the channel. Stay safe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!